now see if you can come up with a formula for this shape here. Yeah, so come up with a formula for the area in terms of small a and b. Okay, so yeah, so press pause and have a think about it. Come up with a formula for the area. Okay, so this bit here is in effect a triangle. So to work out an area of a triangle, well, if this is A, this is B, work out the whole rectangle first, and then divide it by 2, because because we know that this is exactly the same as this, and dividing something by 2 means you split it up into 2 identical parts, and then just take one part. So work out the area of the rectangle, which is AB, and then we divide it by 2. That would give us the area of this bit here. Okay, so the formula for the rectangle only is AB over 2, and then we jump onto the semicircle here. Remember, because this length is A, then the radius must be half of an A. So the radius is stuck in the bubble. It's like this, A over 2. Okay, so the radius is A over 2. Now the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. So that's the whole circle, but the radius is A over 2. So we've got to put the radius into here, into the r. So it would be pi A over 2 brackets and then squared. Okay. Don't forget this will give us the big area. Hang on, let me do it again over here. So the area for the whole circle, okay, is pi A over 2 squared. Okay, because the radius is only half of A, because A is this length here. So it becomes this. Keep in mind that this is the whole circle. Okay, it's this whole circle here. Okay, so half. Well, wait. So let's do this bit first. So this bit is really A over A times A over. Sorry, A over 2 times A over 2. So this would be A squared over 4. So pi A squared over 4, and then this is a whole thing gets multiplied to the top because it's multiplying a fraction. So it becomes this A that over 4. Okay, and remember this is the whole circle. We only want half of a circle. So hang on. So half of the circle, half of that area would be pi A squared over 4, and then divided by 2. Okay, you could write it as this, pi A squared over 4, and then divided by 2. But then it looks really ugly. A fraction. So here you've got a fraction within a fraction. It looks really ugly. So write it like this, and then you're dividing a fraction. So it gets multiplied to the bottom. Okay, every time you divide a fraction, it gets multiplied to the bottom. So remember, this is a half of our circle. Okay, half of our circle will equal pi over A squared over, remember, it gets multiplied to the bottom, so over 8. So this is our semicircle, if you like. This is our semicircle. So if you look at this here, the area of our semicircle is pi A squared over 8. Now it's just a matter of adding this semicircle to this triangle here. So this is a different A. This A represents the whole shaded part. So A equals, well, our triangle is this, A B over 2, and then we've got to add it to our semicircle, which is pi A squared over 8. Okay, now we've got two, in effect we've got two fractions here and here. Let's tidy up and merge the two together. So times top, in order to add or take away fractions, you need the denominators to be the same. So times top by 4 times bottom by 4. So this fraction here would become 4ab over 8. Well, this one stays the same. We're not doing anything to this one. Now the two denominators are the same, so we can merge 8. And then this will be 4ab plus pi a squared. And then have a quick glance to see if they're of the same entity. Here you've got a Liga, here you've got an Elegras. They're two different things, so you can't merge the two. So this would be your final answer. So the formula for the area of this weird shape here, the shape that I just made up, is given by this. Okay?